Hello and welcome back to another video, and today we're checking out another Google Earth tornado path, and today we're checking out the 2015 EF4 Rochelle to Fairdale, Illinois tornado. Now, when I was looking at this, I'm like, what is going on here with the Google Earth? Because there's like two different, I don't know if it's just two different images or what's going on, but yeah. No, some facts with this tornado: two fatalities, 22 injuries, and caused $19 million in damage, which is back in 2015. But now that's over $24 million in 2024. So yeah, let's take a look at the path, which kind of see here where it's like darker than everything around here, where the tornado went. Now let's see here if we see anything. Because this is, I think, still when tornado is starting to gain its strength. So it's kind of cut across here. Because you kind of see like the lines going like that. Let me turn off that so you take a better look here. So it looks like some trees are knocked over here. Some building damage. Cut across to here. I'm guessing that's the cars right there. Houses. More houses destroyed here. Completely looks like this house, and actually I think this house and this house looks like it's completely destroyed. Trying to take my best guess from what I'm looking at on Google Earth here. Oh, so let's go back here. So, whoa, that's a cloudy picture. Oh, uh, hold on, gotta do a back pedal real quick. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. That did not work. Okay, there we go. Now we got the better, clear picture. But yeah, cut across to here. So you can see like debris out over here, kind of like chucking. The tornadoes leveled all these trees here. But it looks like this was possibly damaged here. Definitely looks like it. Oh, it looks like there's buildings here that got damaged. This building, however, looks like it took the worst because it was directly in the path. Well, this is gonna be interesting to try and see the lines of where it went. You keep going, because then it was overall a lot of farmland, so it's gonna be a little bit hard to see where the damage was. So looks like houses and stuff are gonna be, I guess, optimal way of seeing where the damage of the tornado is at, where the tornado took its path. So definitely here for sure. A couple cars here helping out. It seems like going across. See, this is where I was talking about, where it's like, okay, there we go. So we got more damage going across here. A lot of cars here, actually. Holy, that's quite a few cars. Be probably at least more than 40 cars there, at least. Some debris, like spit out like that. But you can kind of see where the tornado, in the like the crop areas, you can see where the tornado's rotation was at. Especially over here, it's more like visible. Well, this building here got destroyed, looks like. Looks like the road got covered by debris. Yeah, so I see that. Keeps going. I think this is like the one example of where on Google Earth you can see like the lines and stuff dug into the ground because of the strong winds from the tornado. It's building out old over here. See if anything's. Oh, they're back. It looks like. Oh, good. That's gonna be one struggle I have. With trying to go back to a clearer image. Oh boy. There we go. Okay, so 4, 12, 15. Looks like it could be. Looks like it kept going. If it did anything here. Maybe it looks like a. Yeah, there's a trailer knocked down over here. Looks like it's some type of. Maybe it's a farm. Maybe it's like a mole home place. We'll see in a second here when I go forward. So it's like, it's basically, I guess, I don't know. This place seems like it's continued. Looks like it hasn't changed much since then. If we keep going across, if we see anything, because I definitely see over here where there's more of like like swirls in the ground, more destruction over here. Yeah, you can now you can really see where the kind of maybe see where the tornado was circling, because it seems like it was starting to grow in size here as it started getting to this point, because the circles are circling, like the circles in the ground are much more, I guess, more ovals actually, I will say, but yeah, more buildings destroyed, some debris over here. See what it looks like now. All nice and clean. Well, looks like over here still looks like I need some work, but they did a good job cleaning, I will say. Yeah, that would be my sound effect for whenever I have an error. I changed all the sound effects on my computer. Well, not all the sound effects, but a lot of the sound effects on my computer. Oh, uh, I had a clear picture. Looks like it's a little bit more clear over here, though. So here's where Fairdale was hit, which a lot of these buildings have been completely flattened. Let's see. Go forward. 2017, 2010, 2008, 2018. So it looks like there's definitely a lot less buildings. 2014, 2015, 2001. Yeah, definitely a lot more, or not a lot more, but definitely less buildings for sure. Kept going. Follow these marks. If anything over here was damaged by a tornado. Doesn't look like it. So it looks like the tornado kind of just like died out somewhere over here. How far can we go back? Wow. Okay, that's very far back that we can go. 2010, 2011. 2011 has a really good picture. Like, the quality... Oh, well. 2011, I had a really good picture. Although, on the next month, what happened there? Did they, like, change the image quality? I don't know what happened. 2015, 2016. There's some driveways here that are still here, looks like, too. Alright, well, that is another tornado destruction path investigation type of video. Or kind of just like a investigation type of thing with the Fairdale tornado, Rochelle-Fairdale tornado. I wonder how far we can go back. Oh, yeah, so not very high quality imagery. This one actually not bad quality for 1999. But yeah, anyways, hope you found this video interesting. Like, subscribe. And I do have a Twitter and also Instagram. All links will be down in the description, and I will see you all in the next one.